Hey everyone, just wanted to take a quick second to show you guys a pretty cool resource that I like to use a lot, especially for background images. The website is called subtlepatterns.com, and it is exactly what it says it is. It's a library of free subtle patterns that you can use on your website. I do believe you have to give credit that you're using them, I think, either in your code or on the site, which isn't really a big deal. And if you do use them, you should give them credit because it's a really great resource. But as you can see, there's all sorts of different kinds of backgrounds, and you can preview them on the page, and then you can also download them to your computer. And once you have this, the coolest thing about these is that they're tileable, which means that you can just set them as a background image and they'll automatically tile throughout the entire background and look consistent. So if we go into our week 6, and I'll just drop this image right in here so I can show you guys how this works. So now you can see the image is in there. So let's go to the body and set a background, and we can give it a URL, and because it's in the same directory, we can just put the file name in here, so retinawood.png. And then what we want to do is we do want it to repeat, so we want to leave it just like that. Actually, in fact, because this is a tiling background, we don't need to supply any other parameters to that. So let's save and refresh, and there you go. Now you have a fun little background. It would be another cool thing you could do is set some opacity on those articles, and they kind of blend in a little bit. That's actually not ideal because that makes the text opaque, but you get the idea with the effect. So anyway, that's subtlepatterns.com, a great resource for background images. If you don't want to mess with Photoshop, creating tileable backgrounds isn't the easiest thing to do either. And remember the background property as well as the opacity property. So that is Subtle Patterns.